In this video, to carry on with these brackets or fixing plates, I'm going to machine these. What are they? Bushes. That's what they are. Bushes. So in this video, to carry on with these mechanism brackets, I'm going to machine these bushes. We got one on each side. If I look at the original picture here, top part, bottom, it's the bit that fixes to the bike, and then we got these two bushes. It has a 4mm shaft through it, so we'll drill holes in the middle, and you'll notice that it's got a grub screw as well. So we'll, because I'll do a few of these, I'll actually make a little tool, not a tool, but a jig if you like, that I like to do when I'm cutting holes through a round stock. Just makes it a lot easier. So yeah, we're just going to cut a bunch of these. They do come through, so I can press them in. That's in the previous video. So I'll probably, to be honest, I've done this before and I tested and it went all fine, but I can't remember my measurements and I didn't write them down. Yeah, so we'll get that cut. We'll press that in, and once we confirm the amount of extra material that we need to make that a nice press fit, then we'll machine a bunch more. So we've got a 10mm bush. Let's get the light out of that. 10mm bush. And we've got our, let's see if we can turn that to you, 10mm stock. Let's get that loaded up. So the plate is, get a right reading, 1.2 ish. Thick. And what I need to do with this is, when this is a 5mm hole, so I'll take the 10mm stock down to 5mm, and then this bit here I'll probably cut to about 2mm, giving me this overlap that I can press. So nicely I've got a 2mm parting tool here, so I'll just take that down to 5mm, and then part it off at 2. I do, like I said, need a 4mm hole in the middle, so let's start with that. There's our 2, and then we're going to plunge in 5. That's 4, 4.5, 4.8, 4.9, 5. Okay. Now easy as we'll take our 2. We need to account for the another 2 for the depth of the parting off tool. So that's 4. So we're going to now think about this edge here, and then we'll go 5 this way. So a total of 9 on my DRO. That. And make a little witness cut. That, just back back off. Just to prove a point really. Five. I'll go a smidgen. Let's take up that tiny bit. There we go. Let's cut it off. I would put something in to kind of hold it, but it's such a small hole, I don't want something to catch, you know, just like a bar or something, a drill butt, but it's so tiny I'm just going to put my hand under to catch it. Or not. Okay, here's our parted off part, and that's the bit that we'll insert, but you're always left with this nasty little bit when you part something off. So what I'm going to do on that one is I'm just going to grab it and snip it off, well, pull it off, just manually get a countersink to clean that up. Again, this is a test piece, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Then what we're going to do is get our part and press that in, turn it around when that's in, and fold over the edge. So I turned this down to 5mm with our 5mm hole. Let's get that started. And it's really nice. You can see it just starts, really holds in there. It doesn't want to go any further, so it's quite a perfect fit. So let's press that in. I'm going to do it on this bearing actually. Let's get that side better. It's nice, it's flanged that over. Just for comparison, I'm actually going to redo another one of these. I'm going to drill this out, I'm going to do it again. Looking back at the original, this is nice. Well, it will be when it's done correctly in the part, but this does look like it's got more material. It's nicely flanged over as well. Maybe that's because it's got more material, and obviously I caught this one. So I'm actually going to probably give it maybe another 1/2 mil over. So on my depth there, I'm going to go 2.5 to the cut off. Let's press it in again. I'll bring you back to the press and we'll look at the finish. So that's the finish. That's a 2mm cut to the top. Let's go 2.5. Okay, we've made enough of these to proceed now anyway. I need to make a bunch more, but it's certainly good for a first batch. So what I'm going to concentrate now is going to make a little tool, or a little jig if you like, to drill this hole for the grub screw. So first of all, I'm just going to do a little clean up of here. I'm just going to put it back on the lathe there and chamfer that out.